I think CGI is revolutionary. I really believe that it's going to change the face of photography and what we create and how we create what we create. And so I'm just looking forward to seeing where it goes and where it takes us as an industry and as individuals. I really didn't know exactly what CGI had to offer a photographer such as myself who focuses on fashion and portraits. So it was really curious because it felt very familiar to me. You know, working with raw images and taking them into post-production and obviously all of the possibilities that it affords us as photographers, seeing Dustin do that with this rendered file, with this environment, with our model file, it was a workflow that resonated because it's what I do on a day-to-day basis. It's all about environment, it's all about narrative, and it's all about pushing boundaries and limits and crafting a story that no one else is telling.
Reverse compositing is breaking the rules of the way that we do traditional compositing in photography. And we're able to shoot our subject first, make measurements, collect data on set, and then use that data to input into CGI software. And what this allows you to do is truly explore. You can lock that camera down once it's all set up and start to change environments, change different variables that you have in your software, and get very consistent results. In this tutorial, you are getting your own virtual set. It's fully ready to go, furnished with props, lighting's already set up. It includes the entire Photoshop process of how to take a photo of your subject, integrate them in CGI, and then place them in that environment in Photoshop, and all of the post-production techniques that I would use to create a great end result. You can create an entire world around your subject. You can match that lighting, and every single step of that process is taught in this tutorial. This really takes the reins off and allows you to create effortlessly.
So I think there's going to be a little bit of shock when I start talking about CGI to the people who know me and the clients who know me. At the same time, I think it's going to come across as innovative and as me as an artist and professional embracing technology so that I can better serve my clients and create work that helps them, you know, reach whatever their aims are.